Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 14, Africa. Look at the map, this is our world map and the area covered by yellow color represent Africa, right? It is the second largest continent in the world. Africa is referred to as the dark continent, the hottest continent, the plateau continent. Actually, the major part of Africa is a plateau. Hence, it is known as plateau continent. You can see here, the equator passes through the middle of the continent and most of Africa lies within the tropics. Hence, it is known as the hottest continent, right? People faced many difficulties while exploring Africa because in the north, the Sahara Desert, the world's largest desert. Most of Africa consists of undulating plateaus, so it was difficult to reach the interior from the coastal areas. The rivers of Africa have many rapids and waterfalls. Hence, they are not fit for navigation. The extensive equatorial forest with poisonous insects discouraged explorers from entering the heart of the continent. The opening up of Africa began with discoveries by great explorer David Livingstone, who discovered Victoria Falls in the year 1855. Mungo Park followed the course of the river Niger. Henry Morton Stanley traced the course of the river Congo. Through these discoveries, most parts of Africa came under the control of European powers. But the African people have now gained independence and today the entire continent has been explored. Okay. Let's see the location of Africa. You can see here, Africa occupies a central position on the world map, right? And is the only continent which is divided into almost two equal parts by the equator running through its center, right? The Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south, right? Hence, a large portion of Africa lies in tropics. Okay. Africa is bounded by the Indian Ocean in the east and the Atlantic Ocean in the west. The Mediterranean Sea in the north and the Strait of Gibraltar in the northwest separate Africa from Europe. In the northeast, the Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Okay. The southernmost tip of Africa is called the Cape of Good Hope. The Southern Ocean lies to the south of Africa. Okay. So here I close the chapter for today. Rest of the part, the physical features of Africa, will discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a good day.